Hi guys, today we're making vegan biscuits. So first you're going to need 4 cups of flour, and then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and you're going to just mix that into a bowl. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of date syrup, and then we're going to add 12 tablespoons of applesauce, unsweetened. That took about 2 of those cups and a half of the other. And then we're just going to go ahead and mix that with a whisk. And then we're going to add almost 2 cups of milk, plant-based milk. That's almond milk. You're just going to go ahead and whisk that up till you form a nice sticky dough. Then you're going to go ahead and flour a surface. And then you're going to go ahead and put out the dough right onto the surface and add your flour and start kneading it. And you're just going to want to keep kneading it until you get a nice elasticity type dough. And what I did was I cut this into 2 little balls, and then you're going to go ahead and flour your surface again, and then you're going to go ahead and flatten it out to make it to cut. And you're going to leave your dough a little bit thick. You don't want to roll it, you just want to press it. And then next you're going to go ahead and put parchment paper onto a pan, and then go ahead and start putting your circles down. And then you use your leftover dough and you just keep doing the same process. And then I kind of put the circles together close by, and then we're going to go ahead and bake them into the oven, 350 degrees, 425 for 12 minutes. And here you see them coming out of the oven. And checking the bottoms to make sure they're done. That's a brown one. And now they're all done. It's a very simple, quick recipe, and it is delicious. And here I'm showing the insides, how beautiful. And this is what we had with our vegetable soup, and I used my crab apple butter for the top.